Hello fellow adventurers, I'm Cody, aka Gearman, your host of Moto Camping Gear Channel. And today we're going to talk about why I started this channel and what my mission is. My mission simply is to help you buy nice, not twice. As you can see around the camp, I actually use this stuff, and my reviews are use reviews. I don't care about specs, not so worried about weight, etc. My whole thing is, if I'm on an adventure, does the gear make me think about it? If I have to think about the gear, it's not good gear. So if a sleeping bag zips up and zips down, compacts how it should, keeps you warm, and then agrees it's rated for, and can fit on the motorcycle without causing a problem, that's a good sleeping bag. So ask yourself this question: what is good gear? Do I have to think about my gear? Does my gear frustrate me every time I go on an adventure? If it does, put that on the top of the list to replace with something else. And check out my reviews, because I probably have reviewed an item that I have used that you don't have to think about.